Here we have Sunday's dinner, which is a roast rib of beef served with mashed potatoes, gravy, Yorkshire pudding, roast potatoes, roast veg, steamed veg, the whole lot, the whole shebang. And that's Sunday's dinner. Monday was roast rack of pork, which we had put in the oven yesterday, Sunday, and so it was all leftovers as well from yesterday apart from the pork. So there we have it, our potato and lamb rissoles with fried mushrooms, fried cherry tomatoes and beans. And if anyone wants to have coleslaw with it, they can too. And that is Tuesday's dinner. Wednesday is noodles with stir-fried veg, which had honey and soy sauce in it and a nice fried egg on top. And it is Thursday and we're having mince and spuds. And this is up on my channel from a good few months ago. And it's absolutely delicious and we love it. Perfect for a cold evening. And Friday was hake curry, which I saw on television. It was Nevin Maguire did a fish cooking programme and this is what he had on during the week, so I copied it. Hake curry, delicious. Saturday was steak and chips. I forgot to take a picture. So that's it. That was the week of dinners. Thank you all for joining me and I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye.